Smooth as silk, another three swishes through for the Mavs. Calm, cool, collected, Mavs sink another from downtown. Effortless precision, that's a textbook three-pointer. Just like they drew it up, a perfect arc into the net. Sit back and enjoy. The Mavericks are putting on a clinic from beyond the arc. Another day, another delightful three from Dallas. Pure poetry in motion. Watch that three glide through the hoop. Relax and rewind. That three-pointer was worth another look. As smooth as a gentle breeze, another Mavericks three finds the net. That's a splash from deep, effortless, and accurate. Watch the precision. It's a three-point masterpiece from the Mavs. Another stellar three, silky and sharp, a joy to behold. From downtown with grace, another beautiful shot hits its mark. Cool, calm, and unstoppable. Dallas nails another three. Like a perfect symphony, that three-pointer hits all the right notes. Savor the sight. Mavs dropping threes like gentle rain. And another. The Mavericks are painting a masterpiece from the arc. A tranquil yet thrilling three, artfully done by Dallas. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth basketball analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.